Guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video, we're going to be taking a look at our month-long savings, plus we are going to be talking about PNG spin deals. So, before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting on. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It's right down below this video, and while you're at it, do your girl a huge favor, hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are two quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel, and then take a second to share the video. Alright guys, now first up, just a quick friendly reminder that I have already uploaded a few other DG videos that you might want to go and check out, because we do have new coupons, new glitches, we have a huge penny list this week at Dollar General, new clearance markdowns, tons and tons of deals. So if you have missed out on anything, make sure that you go and check it out. Everything's going to be linked for you in the pinned comment down below. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and jump right in. Now in this video, we're going to kind of be multitasking, okay? Because we are going to be taking a look at month-long savings, month-long coupon matchups. I have put together all of the PNG coupon matchups for you all. The majority of them do not expire until the end of February. Some of them do expire this Saturday on February the 10th. However, I thought, you know what? Let's just go ahead, throw everything in, and do this all in one video. And it'll save everybody a lot of time. Plus, throughout this video, you are going to see the PNG glitch coupon deals as well. So make sure that you watch the video all the way through. That way you don't miss out on any awesome deals. Now, I also wanted to put this video together this specific way to make things a little bit easier for us, because we only have the PNG spin coupons until this Saturday, February the 10th. So the clock is ticking, and hopefully with all of these coupon matchups right in front of you, you know which items are PNG products, you know which coupons you can use, what it's going to be afterwards. And hopefully that will help you all put together your own spin scenarios, just in case you don't need what I've included in my spin scenarios that I'm going to share with you all at the end of the video. Or maybe you get into the store and they're out of stock of an item that you planned on picking up. Hopefully this video will help you find a quick substitution. And then also, like I said, the majority of these coupons do not expire until the end of the month. So if you need substitutions for your 5 off $25 scenarios, hopefully you guys will come back and reference this video. Now, like I said, this is going to be a multitasking video. So while we're taking a look at all of these awesome coupon matchups, I'm going to go ahead and start explaining our PNG spin coupons that you saw at the beginning of the video. So we are specifically talking about the first ones that we received last Sunday, I believe. And those are spend X amount, get X amount back. So for example, on one of my accounts, I have a spend 30, get back an $8 coupon. Now, last week was absolutely crazy with the deals. I ran out Sunday and just started trying out all kinds of different deals. I could not get anything to work. I was also working alongside some other crazy couponers that were sending me in information and deals that they had tried that weren't working. Well, about midweek last week, I don't know what happened. A switch was flipped, a button was pushed, not quite sure, but either way, these coupons started working, and they started working in our favor. So with these spend coupons, we are actually supposed to spend the amount out of pocket before we can get that coupon back on our account. So let's just go with the spend 30. Get back 8. I would have to spend $30 at the register on PNG products in order to get that $8 coupon back. However, in the middle of the week last week, things changed and the coupon started glitching. So what does that mean? That means that we can now build our transaction up to $30 or whatever your spend amount is, and then we can use manufacturer coupons to bring that total down and lower our out of pocket. Now, even though we are not spending $30 out of pocket, we're still receiving that coupon back on our account. Now, I do want to make this very, very clear, because I know that a lot of people have tried to do this and it's just not working. These PNG spend coupons are not stacking with DG store coupons. So if you're planning on stacking the 5 off 30 gain DG store coupon or the 5 off 25 bounty DG store coupon, it's just not working. I don't know why, but it's just not working. But that's okay, because with these spend coupons, we can still come up with some really awesome deals and save a lot of money. So we're about to take a look at a few scenarios that I put together. I did do one for a spend 40, a spend 30, and a spend 20. So for this first one, we're going to look at a PNG spend 40 deal. So we're going to pick up one of the Tide Power Pods at $9.95, one of the Tide and Gain liquid laundry detergents at $5.50, one of the Cascade at $5.15, one Head & Shoulders for $4.50, two Secret deodorants for $5.25 each, one Febreze warmer at $3.25, and three of the Crest Pro Health toothpaste at $1 each. That's going to put your subtotal at $41.85. Here's your list of coupons, and after everything's been applied, that's going to leave you paying $22 out of pocket, but then you're going to get back that $10 coupon on your account. That's going to make your final price $12 for 10 items, making each one just $1.20 each. All right, for this next one, we're looking at a spend 30, and I just took away an item. So we're going to pick up one of the Tide or Gain liquid laundry detergents at $5.50, one of the Cascade at $5.15, one Head & Shoulders at $4.50, two Secret deodorants, one of the Febreze warmers, and three of the Crest Pro Health toothpaste. That's going to put your subtotal at $31.90. Here's your list of coupons. After everything's been applied, you're going to pay $15.10, but then you're getting back an $8 coupon on your account. That's going to make your final price $7.10 for 9 items. All right, and on this last one, we're doing a spend 20, so we're going to pick up one of the Cascade, one of the Head & Shoulders, two of the Secret deodorants, one of the Febreze warmers, and three of the Crest Pro Health. That's going to put your subtotal at $21.90. And here's your list of coupons. After everything's been applied, you're paying $8.60 out of pocket, but then you're getting back a $5 coupon on your account. That's going to make your final price $3.60 for all 7 items. Now, when you get your coupon back, it is not going to print on the bottom of your receipt like it used to. It is actually going to show up on your account in your wallet as a clipped coupon. And this coupon is also glitching because you can use it on anything in the store. It does not have to be on a PNG brand product. Now, listen up. If you guys are going to be using this coupon at a new register store or self-checkout, as far as I can tell, nobody's had any issues with using those there on multiple products. However, if you're at an old register store when you go to use this coupon, you need to make sure that the item that you pick up is priced more than the coupon value. And if you want to pick up multiple items in that transaction, you want to make sure that the item that you pick up that is priced more than the value of that PNG coupon, you want to make sure that the cashier rings that item up last. I'm telling you all this because in last week's video, I told you all my plan. I plan on going out and doing these PNG spin deals on Thursday and Friday, and then I'm going to try to use that PNG coupon with my 5 off $25 scenarios. So hopefully all that made sense. I will be typing up some notes and adding those down into the pinned comment right down below this video, but if you have any questions, just let me know. And that's going to be it for me for now, but y'all make sure that you stick around and stay tuned because I have more crazy deals coming at you all very, very soon. So before you go, don't forget to do all the things. Subscribe, turn on those notifications, hit that thumbs up, and leave me a smile down in the comment section below. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have a beautiful day, and I will see you on the next one.